Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of requests to draw a picture of Godzilla holding Kong's axe, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Godzilla holding Kong's axe. Now if you guys have any other new ideas for me, definitely let me know. Make sure you are subscribing and turning on notifications so you can always find out whenever we post a new Godzilla video here at Artland. But I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla holding Kong's axe, we're going to begin with his face. So to start off with this, we're going to begin right up here, and I'm going to begin by just making a little line that's just going to go down, then I'm going to come back here like a check mark. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that goes down and up for the eye. I'm also going to draw a little line that's going to go over and that's going to come down with another little line for some detail. Then we want to draw a little line right here underneath the eye. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up and then it's going to come down here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out and that's going to come down for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and it's going to come over. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go over and then up for the jaw. I'm also going to make another line that's going to go out and then come down here. In here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down. Then we'll make a little line right in here for the nose. Starting here, we're going to add some sharp teeth inside of here. And we'll do some more over here too. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And over here, we're just going to make a couple little curved lines for the neck of Godzilla. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to go in. Then I'll make another line over here, it's going to go up. Starting here, we're just going to continue this line down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to draw this line down a little bit farther. I'm going to make this line come down to a point and up. One more that goes down and up. And one more here that goes down and up, then we're going to curve in. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up at an angle, and I'm going to bring it up here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. Then once I get to the hand, I'm going to kind of jump over it to here. Starting here, I'm going to make the legs. We'll draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come down like this. We'll add a couple little lines here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then back. We'll make another one here, down to a point and then back. Next, let's bring this line up and we'll go in with a couple lines. And we'll bring this line to here. Starting here, we'll add the next leg, so we'll draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to kind of hook this around and make another little broken line up here for like a knee. We'll make a line that comes down. Then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve down and over. Make another one that's going to go down and up. Make one more here. And then one more that goes over, and then it's going to curve up. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and in. And another one's going to go up, and it's going to curve around. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down. It's going to go up and over to here. Then we're going to round this out, and I'm going to bring this down. And as I bring it closer towards the body, we want it to get fatter and fatter. And then we're just going to come right to here. Now over here we want to have Godzilla holding Kong's axe. So I'm going to start here by drawing a little line that's just going to come down. I'm going to bring it down, then I'm going to go out, make it come to a point, and then up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and I'm going to curve it around. Make another one that's going to go up and in, and another one that's going to curve up and down. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come out a little bit wider. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up, and then we're going to curve out a little bit wider. I want to make a little bump here. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to go up to a point and then come back. Right here, I'm going to draw this line. It's going to come up. It's going to go right up to here. And we'll do the same thing. We're going to come right back to the body. Then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up here for the arm. Might make it a little bit closer up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a couple little bumpy lines here, and then a couple little bumpy lines here. We're going to make a line that's going to curve out, and we're going to put a couple big points on it here, and then connect it. I'll make a couple more. It's going to point, a couple more points, and then bring it back. Now I want to add some of the spikes up here. So I'm going to add just a couple little pointed lines up here. And then I'm going to start adding more. Now as I add more of these, I'm going to start making them a little bit more bigger, a little bit more jagged as they come up. I'm going to add some of these. I'm not going to get too big right here just because I want to add some behind these as well. So we're just going to add some of these different little points up here. And then we're just going to make them kind of small here on the tail. Next, I'm going to add some more little points on the back. And we're just going to add some more right along here. And we're just going to add some on here. We'll add a little line on the nose. Now here's our basic shape of Godzilla holding Kong's axe. We just want to come in here and add some different little details. One of the first things I'm going to do is add some little claws right here onto the toes. Do the same thing here, and we'll just add some little curved lines on here. We add that extra line or two on there just to make it look like there's a little bump by the toe. I'm going to add a couple broken lines here and a little line down to kind of show where his chest is. Then we'll add a couple little lines here with a line down. We'll add some lines that come across. I'm also going to add a couple little lines up here too. We're going to add some lines kind of right by the mouth. I'm going to add some extra little broken lines coming down here. I'm also going to add some little broken lines coming down the back of Godzilla, especially when we get towards the tail. This is just going to kind of help show some little details. We'll add a nice long broken line that runs down the tail with some more of these little lines coming up here. I'll add a couple extra lines right here. And I like adding a few by the kneecaps as well. So just a few broken lines just for some detail. We can add some extra lines right around here along the feet and legs. And then let's not forget the claws on the hands. And then just some more extra little lines. We do the same thing over here too, and then just some extra little lines. I also like to make some little lines come across here as well. On the axe, we're just going to add a couple little lines coming across here, with some little lines going across in like an X pattern. Then we can just add some little extra lines here. Now when it comes to the spikes, wherever there's some little points where everything kind of meets, I like to add a little extra line or two. Just for some detail, it makes it look extra pointy. And we're going to add a couple little extra lines on here. And a few more right around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla holding Kong's axe. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.